So today's November 24th, 2025, and I'm back to work on the boat a bit. So you can see I've got these pieces in. They're just clamped in there for right now, but those are the pieces that the sides will be mounted on. So the side of the boat sides will go on there like that. They'll be glued onto this piece of plywood on the outside of this piece of plywood and onto these pieces. And you can see these things are notched on the top, and that's for these pieces to go in. So these will go in along here, one on this side, one on that side. And obviously the side of the boat can attach onto here. Everything's glued on, obviously, with epoxy and stuff, but anyway, so it's got something to land on here. And then this piece here, so a piece of can go on the top as like a cap, to make that really strong. And the deck pieces are all notched out so that these will fit in here like this, on these pieces. So there'll actually be a gap down the middle of the boat, so that I've got space to put batteries in. I'll make some hatches, some inspection ports and things like that. But there's about a 1 foot wide opening when these two pieces are actually notched in here. So that's where I'm at the moment. I've got to put a bunch of little bolts. I'm going to drill holes, put bolts through these things here so that I can then test these pieces of wood out on top of these things, clamp them all in place, make sure everything looks nice and fair. And if all that looks good, then pull all apart and epoxy each one of the pieces in place. And then when that's done, I'll be epoxying these deck pieces into position. I've got that figured out. So yeah, starting to make a little bit of progress again.